Hey, what up? About to have a meeting. I'm going real heavy on raising capital right now. These deals have gotten to the point to where we've passed the due diligence stage. We've passed the stage going through with the city. Got my final city council meeting tonight on two deals, two separate developments. And, right now I'm switching my focus to as many meetings with private investors, banks, different types of lenders as I possibly can, letting them know about the deals that's coming. And, this is one of them. So I'm about to go in here and have a good meeting with this guy. He's lent with me before. We've done business before. And we're just trying to, expand our relationship and see where it can go. So, yeah, having a lot of meetings, getting all these deals done, closing out the deals that are already on the table, and, making it happen. I'll let I'm back in the city, baby. With condo on the way. Let's get it. Chat time, the city mind, man. Let's go. Get with me. Get down and lay down. All right, so we just finished up orientation. Just got my little spot up here in Chattanooga. I'll be up here a little more, and I got these projects going on. Before that, we just finished up with a meeting with one of my private lenders. We just did a deal on the car wash. Now he's looking to do invest in another deal. So that meeting went well. It's 3:15, 4:00. We got a city council meeting for two developments, one for the 4 townhomes, one for the 46 tiny homes. So this day's been crazy. All right, so 8 a.m. I started in Atlanta at 8 a.m. on my site. We're doing 29 tiny homes down here. So I did an 8 to 11 down there to get them started. Drove 2 hours to meet my private lender at 1:30. Then I had an orientation for my condo at 3, and I got a city council meeting for two developments at 4. Soon as that city council meeting's over, I'm jetting back down to Atlanta. So let's hope I got enough energy, man. I'm not a coffee drinker, so let's hope this trap music do the job. Busting a U in the middle of the street. Yeah, man. Days be filled, top to bottom. No excuses, man. I remember when I ain't had no motion. Can't complain about having motion when you was complaining when you didn't have motion. You know what I'm talking about? Embrace the motion. They telling me to put my seatbelt on. I'm living downtown, man. I'm gonna get me a bike, man. I'm biking, a skateboard, and a dog. I'm gonna fit right in. What you think, Q?
Hey, man. It's the lifestyle.
Yeah. I don't need a key. You know what I'm talking about? I don't need a key. Did you leave the beers? I'll take them. Collecting the moons. Oh, there you go, right there. Yeah. I've been looking for furniture and shit. Now, I looked in here, but I need to make sure, like, I don't look claustrophobic. Yeah. That ain't a little tight. You know what I'm saying?
That bitch a summer.
That ain't a little tight. I mean, if it's sideways, at least I can sit down if I wanted to. After a long day of getting this money. After a long day of grinding, man. Yeah, man. Gang. Yeah. What's that? Got the books right here. The bed here. I guess he had the TV here. I don't really need a TV in the bedroom. I guess you put one up there for sure. Courtyard, that's what I really. So look, I've been trying to figure out how I'm gonna do the furniture. Cause ideally, I want to put a big dumbass TV right there, like 80 inches. But what, now I'm in the middle of the room. He had to sit up here. You get your little section on, I guess. Guess that's cool. You can put a. Nah, that's cool. I didn't know if it was this big at first. But you can put like an 80 right here, or 75. And then you closer, so it's gonna be big anyway. No, that's cool. I'm glad we came back because now I can see different.